channel. I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. Everyone are doing good and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So before we get into the video, if you are a new member to my channel, welcome to our family. And if you are an existing subscriber, please like, share it with your friends and family, and hope everyone are subscribing to my channel and enabling the notifications bar. So in notifications enable all. So hope everyone have watched my latest video on my Amazon haul video. So if not, I'll just give it in the iCard above. Please watch that video as well. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. So today's video is all about my nail care tips. For each one of us are having beautiful nails. Some people like to grow it, some people like to trim it, and some people like to make it as short as it is. So there are a lot of people who like to carry their nails. So I am into a person where I like to apply a lot of nail polishes on my nails. Yeah, so today's video is all about nail care tips to the people who apply nail polishes like me or who are fond of applying nail polishes. So here are a few of the tips to maintain a healthy and a strong nails. Okay, the first and foremost thing that you have to remember while you grow your nails is to clean and maintain hygiene of your nails, guys. You have to keep in mind that you have to every time maintain your nails so neatly and hygienically. If not, you will be affected or infected with lots of bacteria and you will be sick, guys. So that one important thing you all have to keep in mind if you are willing to grow your nails, because if you grow your nails, there will be gaps out of your skin, guys. So there is a chances of dust or small particles or microorganisms that is available in the that is found in the environment will unknowingly get into your nails and it will be stuck there. And if you not clean your nails or if you not clean your hands or fingers, then there is a chance of going into your stomach once you consume your food. So keep that in mind. So on a regular basis you have to daily basis, regular means daily basis, so you have to maintain your nail by nicely cleaning it and washing with some hand wash or anything like that, and brush your nails and trim your nails, and everything like that is so important if you're growing a that I would like to suggest is do not grow too lengthy nails, guys. That is inconvenient to you as well. If you are if you grow too lengthy nails, it is difficult for you to manage. Your day-to-day activities also become so messed up if you have too lengthy nails. So in my case, I have medium, not medium as well, a little bit of length, that's it. And I don't prefer to grow really long nails. I don't like that because I am scared of nail breakage. Oh god, nail breakage is such a nightmare for me because you cannot tolerate the pain once your nail is broken, guys. So I don't want to mess myself with all of that stuff. So I don't want to make my nails so lengthy. I'm convenient with this length and I'm really happy with how my nails look. What I was actually saying is, if you grow too lengthy nails, it becomes difficult for you to manage your nails. So to avoid all of this, maintain a very minimal length instead of too long or too lengthy nails. So that is what is my suggestion. And the other thing also, if you are working, it becomes difficult for you to type your system or on your mobile phones. If you would like to type something, even then it will be an obstacle. Or for consumption of your food, even then it will be a difficult for you. And if you are having lengthy nails and if you are not maintaining it properly, there are chances of a lot of bacteria getting into your nails, and if you have your food, all of those bacteria get settled into your stomach as well, and following that you will be ill. So all of these disadvantages comes if you have really long nails. So maintain a proper length to stay those nail polish continuously on your nails, meaning if you are applying a nail polish today, so do not carry the nail polish for complete month or complete 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So what happens is, if you do that, this damages your nails, guys, because obviously nail polish has a lot of chemicals and toxins in it. So what that is really harmful to your nails. So whenever you are applying a nail polish, change it after 1 week. Please change those nail polish instead of carrying the nail polish for the whole month or next month as well. For proper gap in between the application of the nail polishes, for about at least 1 week of gap you have to give before applying the nail polish, because to make your skin to make your nails breathable and to to make them healthy and stronger. This is mandatory, guys. Instead of completely, you know, for 24/7, if you keep your nails filled with, applied with nail polishes, that will damage your nails, guys. So this is what you have to keep in mind. So there should be proper time interval before you apply a nail polish. Is that you have to mandatorily leave your nails without nail paint for at least few days of every month, guys. So doing this results in, you know, healthy growth of your nail. You have to keep in mind while you are applying a nail polish is that do not apply lots of coats on your nails, guys, while you are applying nail polish. You know, one coat or two coat is much more enough. Do not, you know, apply continuously. Do not, you know, coat for about 4 to 5 coats. What I believe is one single coat or 2 coats is more than enough, instead of dumping multiple coats on your nails and, you know, making your nails damaged. And you have to keep in mind, I know that some shades are very lighter, so what you have to do is you can apply another coat as well. So maximum of 2 coats is enough to define or to pop out the color of the actual color of the nail polish, guys. But some people, I have seen many people applying 4 to 5 coats on your nails. I mean, to, you know, I don't know why they are applying 4 to 5 coats on their nails. So that is really bad for your nail and it damages your nail for sure, guys. So you should never apply lots of coats on your nail. Instead of multiple coats, only single or double coat is preferable. That I would like to say is avoid inhalation of the vapor that comes out of a nail polish when you open it. So in some cases, a few of the nail polishes are it has a very thick odor, guys. So once you open the cap, for example Itex or most of the nail polishes are having a strong smell. So suddenly what we'll do is we'll just whenever we are opening it, we'll just inhale the vapor that is coming out of the nail polish unknowingly. So doing that is really bad, really not good for your health, because it has lots of chemicals added into it. So you should never do that. Some people who are obsessed with such kind of smells, there are some people who are obsessed with the, you know, smell of paints, petrols and anything like that. So in that case, there might be people who also like the smell of this nail polishes. So do not go, do not knowingly do not inhale the smell of any nail polishes, because that is very harmful to you, guys. So do not. The last and the final thing that I would like to say is gently massage your cuticle or nails every day using some coconut oil, so that promotes stronger growth of your nails, guys. So this is a very mandatory step to keep in mind. And whenever you are applying, and one more point that I would like to add on here is I have seen many people removing nail polish using a blade. They'll just scratch it. So do not do that, guys. It removes the that layer of your nails and it damages your nails. So do not remove your nail polish using a blade, I mean by scratching it. Do not do that, guys. You have to take any super nice quality nail polish removers are available in the market. You also have nail polish wipes and multiple removers available. So please use that instead of scratching it with a blade. That damages your nails very badly, guys. So do not do that. And the next thing that I would like to say is when you are trimming or cutting your nails, I have seen many people who, they cut very deeply into the skin. So I have seen people cutting the nails so deeply and the skin comes out and the nail settles inside the skin, guys. So do not cut your nails like that. So first thing is it hurts you. The second thing is, very long time to regrow your nail back. So that is a very, unsafe thing that you are doing. So do not do that, guys. So trim it on the length of your, trim it with the surface of your skin, not inside to the skin. Do not do that, guys. So trim it with a proper nail cutter, and some people will be removing the nails with blades. So first thing is that is so risky and scary. So while you cut your nails, what happens if your blade slips and gets inside, you will have a major hurt. So do not do that. Use a proper nail cutter and cut your nails. A nail polish, try to purchase a branded nail polish. Branded in the sense you do not have to purchase a 500 or 400 range nail polish. That is not needed. But basic or some standard nail polish, please apply those standard nail polishes instead of applying the complete local nail polishes, because it has lots of chemicals added into it. So do not go behind such local nail polishes. Apply some standard nail polishes to keep your nails strong and healthy. use a lot of nail polishes, or if you use multiple coats of your nail polishes, your nail will be broken, guys, for sure. If you see, some people has faded nails, pale yellow nails, and broken nails, and some nails might also have slight cracks on the top of the nail, and some nails might have slight marks which is lightly faded, pale marks also will be there on the nails. All these are the signs that your nail is not healthy. So to avoid all of this, follow all of this, and also have healthy food diet. So do all of this, and keep in mind that do not apply multiple coats, do not use local products, and do not scratch your nails, and please keep this in mind. So these are few of the important tips to be noted while as a part of your nail care tips and when you apply nail polishes. So hope you have liked my video for today. So if you are liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, guys. So, and also share your valuable comments, which keeps me motivated to upload more and more videos like this. So yeah, that's all for today. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.